Dr. Love here with a driving safety tip. You need to be able to hear your turn signal indicator. When I was younger, I wondered why so many old folks were driving down the road with their turn signal on when they clearly had no intention of turning or changing lanes. Now I know why. When you get a little older and your hearing is degraded, it's hard to hear the turn signal indicator. The volume and frequency are set and can't be adjusted. It's particularly hard to hear in my Honda van. Take a listen, see if you can hear it. Well, it's hard for me to hear, and that's without the radio or air conditioner running. But I may have a solution. Take a look. The first thing I'm going to do is remove my current flasher. It's not really hard to remove. It's a little trouble to get to. In my vehicle, I go to the driver's side and go down low, and I get abeam my brake pedal. Then I have to start looking up on the left side. I'm going to reposition and show you exactly where it is with a tighter shot. And here it is, right above that little yellow connector. That's what I'm going to remove. Okay, I've removed the flasher module, and it was quite a pain to get out, primarily because it was such a tight spot. This is the original right here, and you'll see there's a couple of lips right here. I've seen recommendations to stick toothpicks in to try to make it easier to get it out, but it still was about an hour process for me. I'm going to replace this module with this one that simply has a little speaker attached to it, and we'll see how much of a difference that makes. Okay, I've reinstalled the module. Taking out the flash unit was very difficult because there wasn't much space to work in down there, and that took quite a while. Putting the new module in took about 10 or 15 seconds, but it was still a very snug fit. But it's all good to go now. Let's take a listen, see if there's a difference. Well, that sounds pretty good to me. And despite the frustrations I had with removing the flash module, I still think it was worth it. I spent $50, that includes shipping. I paid full price, and I have no affiliation with the company. The company was called Turn Alarm. I'll put a link down below. And there may be other companies making the same thing. They make a module for almost every vehicle and also have a universal model. So if you or someone you know has trouble hearing the turn indicator, this may be a solution. Dr. Love out.